Assalamualaikum friends. I hope you guys will be fine. So today, we make the creamy and delicious mango ice cream. I hope you guys are very excited for this. No, any custard powder. No nan dairy cream. No, any egg. No, any kind of cooking. And not any milk powder. We will make this ice cream in just 5 minutes. So without wasting the time, let's start the delicious mango ice cream recipe. First of all, take some fresh mangoes. Now remove its skin. Cut it into slices. And then into pieces. Just like that, which is I'm showing. Add them all into airtight container or zip-locked bag. Close the cap. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. On the other side, take icing tray or any bowl, then add full creamed milk. Also freeze it until it becomes solid. After 6 hours, we have to take out freezed mangoes now. You can see that every piece of mango had become full solid. Now you have to take a grinder jar and the all freezed mangoes. So according to jar's volume, consider that you have to add 2 freezed mangoes. Now check that how good it is freezed. So there is our milky ice cubes. Check that, it is fully solid. So now add them in jar. Now grind it well. After grinding here, add condensed milk. Here you can also add sugar with milk powder. From this a creamy texture will become with delicious taste. And then add Nestle Milk Pack dairy cream. Now grind it well. Now you can also serve, but I want to make it more solid. So, add it in an air-closed container or a zip-locked bag. For making it more delicious, add cut mango over it. You can also add dry fruits here. So, for making it more solid, cover it with envelope and freeze it for 7 hours. Just check the creamy texture. Now it is looking just like Market's ice cream. So the delicious mango ice cream is ready. You can also serve it with cone. I hope you will enjoy this amazing recipe. Inshallah, we will be met in next video. It is time to go now. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.